Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can draw a AI security icon. To get started, we will see how the real object looks like. As you can see here, the actual shield, the real life object looks like little bit taller, right? To draw the icon, we need to follow the keyline shapes principle. So we are in Google to see the keyline shapes principle. So we have four types of shapes: square, circle, vertical, and horizontal. The real object looks like a little bit taller. To draw the icon, we need to see which shapes match the object. Okay. So as you can see that the actual object looks like taller, and we need to follow the taller one. That means the vertical one. And IBM explained it very well why we need to follow the keyline shapes principle. All right. As you can see here, for square, we need to follow the square one. For the clock, which is circle, we follow the circle one, and so on. And now I will show you the example. As you can see that here, the mail icon, the envelope one, we all know it, right? See, when you follow the keyline shapes, it looks really good. But if you don't follow it, the icon looks really bad. This is a very good example for you to understand why we need to follow the keyline shapes. All right. And now let's go to Figma. Take the pen tool, add one point here and another point here. Now play with the handle to make the curve. All right. Now duplicate it and now flip it. And now let's join them together. All right. And give the radius value to 0. And now take pen tool again, add one point here, another point here, one more point here, another here, and one more point here. All right. Now select this point and move this little bit to the left, and select this point and move this little bit to the right. Select the middle point and now move it little bit to the top. All right. Let's select both of them and join them together, and we will make it little less wider. All right. Now double click to see the points and remove this point, add one point here and remove this one, also this one. All right. Now click here just to adjust it a little bit to make it look good. All right. Now give the stroke value to 1.55 or maybe 5. Yeah, 5. Click here and join to round it. All right. Now I think we are done. Now we will take the star, which is the magic or AI or intelligence icon. Draw it here. Give this value to 4 and the ratio to 45%. All right. Make it black color. And double click to see the points. Select these points and give the radius value to 6. Now select these points and give the radius value to 0.5. All right. Now let's adjust it a little bit. And now let's center it. Looks good. All right. We are done. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and check out hugeicons.com. You will find beautiful icons for your design and development projects. Goodbye.